Alright, good morning, Bruce. So here is this fresh 22 RR Black Label. Okay, power jack up front, two LP tanks. There's that dry weight for you. Very nice, considering that it's fiberglass siding compared to the other 22 RR that I sold with aluminum siding. So you get the better styling. Okay, go around. You get the frameless windows on this unit. Tandem axle. I believe power jacks as well. Okay. Closed underbelly. Cabinets, patio, then you get the walk around restroom where you can go through it. Nice shower. Queen bed, nice cabinets at the top. TV hookup.